As we move on, after you have learned a technique or application in the upcoming sections, pause this video and create new Q&A phrases by incorporating the new technique or application. Each scale note can be used as a chord. These chords will complement each other just as the individual scale notes complement each other. You can use these chords to write a rhythm progression, then use the individual scale notes to write bass lines and melodies over the chords. These are the major and minor chords taken from the key of C. With the exception of B and B minor, every chord uses scale notes from the key of C. The B chord is a diminished chord. Because of its unusual tone, it is sometimes substituted with a B or B minor chord. There are several ways you can play these chords. You can pluck them all with your fingers, or you can strum them with a pick. It might be difficult to slap all three at the same time, but it can be done. A lot of bass players will slap the lowest note of a chord, then pop the remaining notes. This is sometimes called slap pop, or slapping and popping. For the C chord, slap the C note with your thumb. That's a note on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. Then pop the E on the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Then pop the G on the 1st string open. You can also slap the C note with your thumb, then pop the E and G at the same time using both the index finger and middle finger. We will explore several techniques and applications on this video that can be used with the slapping and popping techniques. The double note patterns later in this course are perfect for this technique.